Hello everyone, in this video let's talk about basic rules differentiation. This is basic calculus. So for now we're going to derive from this given formula. So we have the derivative of constant, so d over dx with respect to x. So since this is constant, for all the constant is equal to 0. So any number or constant is equal to 0. So we have given y equals 5x with respect to x. So the constant here is 5. So the derivative of 5x, we have y prime equals 5. So this is the answer. Next, we have number 2. The same process, the derivative of 2x with respect to our constant here is y prime equals 2. So we have problem number 1. So f of x equals 3x squared minus 1. So we're going to find the derivative of 3x squared minus 1. So by using this formula, this n times x raised to the power of n minus 1. So we have n here is 3 since this is the constant. 3, we're going to move this constant to, then copy x. So remain 2 minus 1. So the derivative of negative 1 is 0. So do not put here in 0. So not necessary to put 0. Equals 3 times 2, 6. Then copy x, 2 minus 1. That is 1. So do not put here 1. So therefore, prime f of x equals 6x. So this is the final answer.